Hey guys, how's it going? Pepperlad Dirt Jumps and BMX here with another bike check. I have my 2009 Eastern Shovelhead. This bike is great. I love it. Anyways, it's got ODI long necks, flange. They're pink. Yeah. I'm not sure what kind of bars I got. Got them off a buddy of mine. Uh, they're nice. They're not. I think they're an 8.75-inch rise. I got stock Eastern forks, Alien Nation black rim, laced to Mission hub, and Fit FAF white wall tire, Stolen Bikes headset, gusset cranks, Duo Resolite infrared pedals, Sabrosa plastic pivotal seat, Animal TWW white wall tire with a Alien Nation black rim and laced to Mission React hub. The hub is awesome. I love the sound of it. Here, hold on. I prefer the louder hubs, just my preference. I have a full-length KMC purple chain with a purple 25-tooth sprocket. I think that's a United front load stem. Other than that, the bike's great. The frame is a team issue frame. The regular 09s were black, if I remember correctly. It's an 09 team edition Eastern Shovelhead. Got the gyro mounts. Well, the spots for the gyro. What else? That's about it. Yeah, I mean, she's a light bike. It's probably 23, 24 pounds. Great weight. I love it. And yeah, alright, see ya.